Hello everyone, welcome to Top Trading Edge. Today we're gonna take a look at the Peloton. They have the earning coming in next week, and I was going through the earnings and I found some interesting information, which also I I noticed on Monday, I guess Monday, 5 6 days ago, and I did mention to one of my group, and I thought let me show you. And now what I see right here, I mentioned, as you can see, Monday right here, Monday. And I mean, you found another bottoming out Peloton. Market cap is $9 billion. Share float is 300 millions. Yearly revenue 5 billions. Keep eyes on when the market will take a ride on this one, right? And this was my price prediction that it happened this. Now it can bounce because of the numbers. I noticed something very interesting numbers. So um, anyway, I just wanted to show you that I did mention Monday. And so let's get started. Disclaimer, this video is education purpose only. I do not sell any financial advice or recommendation to buy or sell any sorts of stocks or investment. For your financial action, please consult with your professional financial advisor before making any financial decision. All right, so let's get started. What exactly happening in Peloton? Before I start all these numbers, what are the hidden things? Let's go to the first technicals, because remember, you can only be successful when you do three things. What? Fundamentals, which are financials, fundamentals, and second thing is technicals, and third thing is geopoliticals. So let's talk about right now technicals, because this stock has been selling constantly. As you can see, it was $171. Since then it's grinding lower, and this has been happening since about a year now. So this stock was IPO was $25, and then mm, then March 2020 pandemic happened. Stock went down to 21, $18 $19, something like that. And since then it was pandemic play, and it was grinding higher, and they were doing good also. So um, when they were at the peak, their earning revenue was 1 billion. As you can see right here, 1 billion revenue, and they were positive EPS, right? Then here the revenue was 1.26 billion, right? Then what happened here? Become 936 million. So their EPS went down, earning the estimate. So that was wrong here. And then second one, which was here, which was 805 million. So they lost 100 million here, right here. So that's why. So what happened here is, this is what normally I was expecting right here. This W pattern here, if you can take a look at it, because this was the major sloping support, and Peloton was doing good. Everybody, media and everything was going great. So I thought this could bounce. So let me delete this W, and I'm going to show you something what I saw. So as you can see, it was selling off, then bounce from this support, test the support, and bounce from the support, and then 100 is 200 day moving average. It got rejected, and then since then it started selling off. All right, so now as you can see, this is 2020's major sloping support. Whenever I draw major sloping support, they hold the ground. It's really, really good, strong. When they break, it's supposed to be bearish. So when we started trending, then I thought this could probably bounce from here. So it did that. And then from here, I thought it's gonna create a W. It did not. And it tried to halfway, and I thought it can bounce. It tried up to here, but then got rejected at 200 moving average. So it tried one time, and then second time it broke constant. Why? Because of this earning. Let me go back. You see this earning? That earning revenue was good. They meet the revenue, but the EPS was not good, earning per share. So they predicted, market predicted, this could be a next game change. And that's why all the investors start selling off, and insider also were selling that time. So it could be a big game plan. We would not know this, when big game goes on, very hard to understand. But it broke the resistance. These are really price actions, so we always like to see the real price, because if even if the insider sells, you'll be able to see who is and all selling and how much they are selling and why these are happening, because this is the real price action, right? If anybody sells, it comes here. So that's why I believe in the technicals. Technical is just like GPS mirror of the image of the company. Otherwise, this red candle will not become if nobody sells. This green candle would not be there if there is nobody's buying, right? That's why. How long you can keep continue buying, right? Even if somebody trying to set up. So that's why you got to see all this sell off going on due to financial reason, due to insider also sells because of the when you have $30, $20 stock and goes to $170. Just do your math. It's a lot of money. People have profit and they take the profit out. So then this support broke, and then look at the gap right here, big gap. Now this gap happened because something, couple of news came out. Now all these headline will be might have created for, depends on everybody's benefits and all. There are agenda driven headline also, an analyst also. So, but again, yeah, a couple of things happened that somebody kid got stuck into the on a belt on a Peloton, and then something happened, whatever, and then it went to the court, whatever the outcome would be. But that news was not good, right? So that what happened probably, and since then it's going on bad thing about with the company. And now what I see here is $24. So from 170 to $24. So it's almost like a 400%. Sorry, not 400%, 800, 700% discount. All right. So this was right at the IPO price, as you can see here, right at the IPO price. And I did mention 5 days ago. Now, when was the 5 day ago? It's right here. I mentioned it was $25, $26. I said this would be a good candidate for somebody to acquire. Remember what I said. Why? Because heavy sell-off going on at the IPO price, just right at the pandemic time price. And Peloton is a subscription-based product they sell. That means somebody can make constant money, so you can attract, anybody can buy because it's a subscription based plus the product, and they are high tech product. They are not like cheap product. So they have the quality stuff. It's not somebody junk somebody buying. It's a good future product. So that's why I like that product, the company, their fundament, the financials, and these heavy discounted because I can right now show you why did I did mention here on that, and I'll show you right here. I said look at the financial. If you take a look at it, $800 million they are basically making. So let's go to the here on Yahoo, and I can show you what I mean. Real number. We're gonna take a look at it. So their market cap is only $8 billion. Okay, $8 billion, and their outstanding share. Let me zoom in. Sorry, their market cap. Okay, outstanding shares are only 300. So 8 billion share, and their only outstanding shares are only 300 million. So divided by that, you can see the price. Now, if you look at it, the real thing what I need to show you is the gross, right here, gross profit. So their total revenue, $4 billion. So they are basically making 900 million, 800 to 900 million a quarter. So they are pretty much making $4 billion a year. Then minus all the expenses and everything, the gross profit comes out $1.4 billion. So to establish the company like this, when from the beginning, it is a lot of expenses involved in it. When you have a lot of expenses, it really takes time to establish the company. That's why many companies, they don't make money until 3, 4, 5 years, right? And then somebody comes in and buys it with the paying the top dollars. Now many company believes in buying some other to acquire any company. They like company like this, who is a high tech company, subscription based company, who has a high growth revenue, who has a high profit. Look, this profit, for example, Amazon would like this. That's the reason before Amazon buys, no, there was no news. And that's the reason I said this. on Monday. You see this Monday, right? Monday I said found another bottoming out, and this was my research on the financial side that 300 is a very low float and $4 billion is the yearly revenue. Keep eyes on this one because anybody can low value, anybody can buy this company because of the low value, right? So $8 billion is the market cap. You can do your math right here. It's very simple, man. 8 billion where market cap is too many. Okay, I think I have another brother. Yeah, who has. So you can see almost 7.5 billion market cap. See market cap of Peloton market cap 7.5 billion. So 8 billion market cap. That means anybody can double in 2 years. You can achieve that market cap. I mean, from that particular revenue, and your investment would be free. But again, then you have to count the gross profit, not just the investment, but also when you want to establish a new company, you have a cost. Somebody already bear the cost in this, right? And you already have the Nasdaq listed company. Everything is ready. You know, plate is served. You just need to eat the dinner. You just need to make it nice and decorative. Use your platform, and so that's what Amazon, Apple, company like those, nobody gonna come to your door and say, hey, I'm gonna buy this company. You have to find those hidden treasure. So then it can happen sometime. It can happen 1 month, 3 months, 5 months. You have to look at all the analysis that what are the company's products is are those companies are all these products are current trend product. When you see the current trend product, which includes subscriptions, latest design, latest stuff, most in demand, those are the things. Everything this company fits because their product is sexy. That's why everything fits perfectly in the design. And plus, find me a company. You can look for any company who is heavily sold out. Sold out. I mean, under the it, very bottom in out price, and when you can see billions of dollar revenue, look for a company, look for whichever in your mind is, and then look for those kind of company and look those numbers. You will not find billion dollar revenue, $1 billion revenue every quarter at this price because the market cap is only 8 billion, 4 billion a year revenue, 8 billion market cap. That's very low. So it's a perfect candidate. And I said this on Monday, and guess what happened today? Guess what happened today? Something is cooking Friday, not today. Today is Saturday. Yesterday night, Friday night, after hours. This is during the daytime. It's 25, and then after hour is pop. My, sorry, right? And now is $31. So now, well, we got to give a little time on this, whatever it happens. But what I see right now is this is undervalued. This is the resistance is already broke. After hours, you're not gonna see here. You're gonna see on Monday. But again, this is all previous history. It was bearish. Since then, I was predicting this could be the support, and it did hit that. So now it's gonna fill the gap here. You can see this. This gap supposed to be filled, and this is the resistance which was previous support. So it can reach here, but it will take time. It's not like overnight gonna happen. From here to here, it took a 3 months. So same process depends on it how things will play. But there is Amazon and all the news are going on that Amazon is trying to uh, send letters to all the subscribers and all. So there is something is cooking you and me would not all some insider would know, but definitely something is cooking which I caught it by this action, price action. That's why I believe in price action and then numbers. So I use this price action plus the numbers from the financials fundamentals. Based on those do combination, and I look at the all the fundamentals was a company's product. Now based on that I come to the conclusion that these companies are oversold excellent product, good numbers, easy to acquire at this period of time, right? From 170 to 25. And I said so on Monday, and now it's happening. So, guys, uh, I just wanted to cut it short. I try to find so many things like this. It takes a time to, find the hidden treasures. So, uh, again, I always try to post it on Twitter account, also tweet at Top Trading Edge. You guys know Top Trading Edge. Always search on Google one word Top Trading Edge, and YouTube also Top Trading Edge. Guys, this is the fresh account on YouTube. So help me out for my contents. You will never find any YouTubers the information who brings live to you with three things: fundamental knowledge, very very top trading edge knowledge, not just simply BS, top trading edge fundamental, the as well as the technicals, who has the in-depth knowledge, technical as well as geopolitical, and then find the treasures. Then you never go wrong on it, because many people in this market, nobody gonna, you never find a video who thinks, oh, Peloton is good company, who gonna say good to buy. Everybody say, oh, this, I lost all this money. They're gonna be all this BS on YouTube videos and all. There is no fundamental behind, there is no geopolitical behind, there is no technical behind. You need all three combination behind to be a winner. You will find one thing, somebody will say good product, or maybe they will not have a knowledge even how to analyze technically. Somebody who would analyze technically, then he would not have a fundamental knowledge, or he will not even, he will miss somewhere in geopolitical. So that's why I try to bring to you my experience, 20-year experience with this video. And only I expect from you guys that help me out, because I just created this channel YouTube couple of weeks and need more subscribers so my video can come to, reach to the bigger audience. So like, subscribe on YouTube, and please share with other friends and family, whomsoever you know who is into this and they benefit out of it. So my goal is to educate here, and I hope everybody makes some passive incomes, and then they thank me. I do not charge anybody anything on this. My goal is to teach everybody free. So once again, Top Trading Edge, thanks for being here. Uh, until next, thank you. Bye.